Hi, Elaine here with WTI. Having problems with your tire pressure? Well, have no fear. This little guy is here to save you. I appreciate that this air compressor is small and compact. The hose is tucked right inside, and it's really easy to use. You just attach your hose to your air valve and make sure that it's on PSI to see your sad low tire pressure. Mine is 22.5. And then this little guy does all the work. In literally less than 5 minutes, my tire is inflated to 32. And it has auto shut off, so I don't even ever have to worry about overinflation. I love it. And the added feature for me is that it's long enough to reach all my tires. So don't hesitate. Get your VacLife air compressor. I love mine. I won't go anywhere without it. And that's just my point of view.